What is going on, guys? We are live 864 miles away from home.
Cue the montage! Cue the montage! Get you some of that!
We drove our insurance Auction Cummins all the way to Florida to get a bumper. No, not really. We drove all the way here. I got some family moving back to Oklahoma. They got a tractor, some other equipment they want to get back. So I said, perfect opportunity. We'll go help y'all with that. I found a bumper in Alabama. I was like, I'm going to get this bumper while I'm down there. So we got the truck pulled up here. It made it great. Did like 15 miles a gallon pulling my car hauler. I don't know if y'all have seen that car hauler on the channel or not. Let's see. Here's the car hauler. It's just a 20-foot steel bed car hauler. So what we do today is we're going to install the new bumper. And thank God we found a bumper. Like $100. Guy in Alabama had for $100. And like the cheapest one I found in the United States. Kind of crazy. So it's kind of dirty right now. Here's our bumper. So it ain't perfect. It's kind of like the rest of the truck. Got some paint chips, a little scrape here, whatever. It ain't perfect, but it'll be perfect enough for us. You know, because what we do on our channel is it ain't got to be perfect. It's just got to be there. So he ended up giving me these brackets. Mine were bent on mine. Give me the bolts. Here's the intercooler brackets. Intercooler bracket bolts that I'm pretty sure these are like a bracket that protects the intercooler from like getting bottomed out on something, possibly. I don't know that for certain. I just think that. We'll get these brackets tightened down on here, get y'all set up, and get this put on the truck. Alright, so this is where we're going to start at. We're going to start with the intercooler mounts, like protection bracket things. I don't know what you want to call them, but that's these suckers. They go right in here. So there's this little bracket. The only thing I can figure out on this bracket is that it's here it hangs lower than the intercooler bracket right here. So that's the only thing I can figure out is that's what it's there for. To protect that intercooler from getting damaged. I said I don't know that because it's an assumption. Okay. And then because I'm in Florida, I don't have all the tools down here. We're going to use an every size wrench. What size is it? I don't know. It's every size. It works. So that's what we're using. Alright. And then we'll just drop it on here. So, this one, like so. Go over here and get this one. Same process. So, like I said, they hang down lower than the mounts for the intercooler. So I think that's the only reason why they're here. I can't figure out any other reason, but it's cool he gave me those with it. So now we just have to pop the bumper. The bumper has bolts that go through right here, through this side. It's a little pain to get to, so I'm hoping to put these in here, and then I'm hoping I can get to these bolts. I don't know how easy it's going to be. The bottom one's going to be easy. The top one's not going to be fun on either side, but we'll deal with it, I guess.
They go
inside out.
inside out.
Or sorry, outside in. Outside in.
I'll get your side. Do I need to do anything?
No. Looks like it's gonna be pretty easy. I'll say that. Gotta find the holes. Alright, can you go up at your side? There we go. Okay.
Mine resting on one.
Yep.
So you're good.
I'm good there.
Go ahead and wiggle. You got both sides in? Or just one?
That's good. Yeah, mine's all the way through.
Okay.
Yeah, how about yours?
No, I just got one side.
Oh, it goes on up. Bam. That's it. Pretty simple. That ain't too shabby.
Yeah, that fits pretty good.
Yeah.
A little bit gapish on this side, but maybe when you tighten it up.
Yeah, I'll have to lift it up, get it where it goes. But I like it. It's perfect. All right, so what I gotta do to be able to even make this remotely happen, I gotta unbolt the intercooler and get it out of the way, and then I can do the bumper and then bolt the intercooler back up. So I'm gonna get that loose real quick and get back with y'all. Alright y'all, so I didn't film adjusting any of this bumper or anything like that. It's too big a pain, but it's on. I see it. Turned out great. Having all the hardware from that guy meant I'm down in Florida right now, like I said, and first major road trip on this Butte. She did great, right at 15 miles per gallon with the open trailer unloaded, and I think it's solid. We didn't have any issues, man. She just trucked right along. So the bumper's on here now. Show you all this. We got it adjusted pretty well. It's not too shabby for a beat up old truck that got salvage title that somebody was gonna throw away. So either way, I'm happy with that. Like I said, the bumper is not perfect. She's got scrapes. She's got bumps and bruises. So either way, I'm gonna leave y'all there, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.